Hi everyone, welcome. I'm attorney Megan Pastrana. There have been so many questions. There's been a flurry of questions about processing times that I know individuals are feeling desperate, that there are processing times that are just continuing to increase, that they fluctuate. It's extremely stressful, and I understand because you just want to be together. You have this relationship. It's an amazing relationship. You're ready to get your next chapter started, and these wait times just keep seeming to fluctuate and change and get longer. And the question that I keep receiving really is, why did processing times increase? Why do they continue to increase, specifically for the I-130 and the I-129F, or for spouse visas and fiance visas? Why are these processing times increasing? And so the general answer that I think everyone understands is that there are a lot of applications that are going to immigration, and they just don't have the people power to review the applications. And so the applications are going to certain service centers. There's certain service centers that handle the spouse visa I-130 petitions. There's other service centers that handle the I-129F fiance visa petitions. And depending on caseloads, depending on staff, those wait times can fluctuate. So really, that's the general answer why that's happening. There's a lot of cases and not enough individuals to review them. And it also comes down to a matter of systems and procedures and how immigration is reviewing these applications. Now, with processing times in mind, what I always like to tell individuals is that immigration they have said multiple times that they are making a concerted effort to make changes. And so I know that one of the individuals in our group said, did the processing times for K1 and CR1 spouse visas change after Biden's bill passed? Have you seen any improvements? And so what we have seen is that immigration USCIS and immigration in general, they have announced they are making concerted efforts to hire more people, to review their systems, and to find ways to be more efficient and to process applications faster. Just like anything, unfortunately, things and changes take time, so it's not going to be changes we're going to see overnight, but immigration is definitely, they say they are hiring more people, training more people, and working on more efficient systems to get applications processed in a faster manner. I know that for those of you who are in the process right now and waiting, that gives you a little glimmer of hope. But the other thing that all of you can do, and that I encourage, and that's what our office actually does, the attorneys and our team members, we've advocated in DC. We've actually gone to Washington, DC. We've actually spoken with members of Congress, not just in our states and district, but we've been able to speak directly with Congress, with immigration, and letting them know the impact these long wait times have. You can actually do the same thing. You can search. You can do a search and look for who is my representative. It'll have you put in your address so you can find who your representatives are, and you can actually reach out and share your story and tell them how the wait times are impacting you and your future. And I want to be clear that this is something that you'll do to bring awareness. It's not necessarily going to be that congressional representative would make your particular case go faster. In some situations, that's possible. But really, my advice is the more that all of us do that, the more that all of us bring awareness. And that's what our office and our attorneys and our entire legal team, we're always striving to do, is to bring awareness to our government, to immigration, of these issues and the impact these wait times are having. So that kind of went beyond why the processing times are increasing, and it's really giving you some tools to be change makers. That's really something that we can all do here together. So I hope that helps answer that question, and I really hope that we start to see an improvement in these wait times, because I do want all of you who are going through this process to be with your significant other and be able to start your next chapter as soon as possible.